Hey friends, welcome back to Fun with Toys and Books. And today we are going to learn the story of the kind elephant. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in a green jungle, there lived a big elephant named Ellie. Ellie was strong, but he was also very kind. One hot day, Ellie saw a small rabbit crying near the river. "I lost my way home," the rabbit said sadly. Ellie gently lifted the rabbit with his trunk and placed him safely on his back. He walked through the jungle and helped the rabbit reach his home. One day, Ellie got stuck in a deep mud. He tried hard but couldn't move. The rabbit quickly called other animals for help. Together, they pulled Ellie out of the mud. Ellie smiled happily. Kindness always comes back. Moral of the story: be kind and helpful to others. Good deeds are never wasted. Kindness always comes back to you. Friends, if you like the video, then like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel for more such entertaining and educational videos. Bye. Thanks for watching.